Hello, fashion lovers. Welcome to today's class. In today's class, we'll be learning how to make this organza ruffle sleeve. And I make use of 1 yard of organza fabric. So if that's what you want to learn, let's get into class. I divided my fabric into two equal parts. That is half inch on the other side, half inch on the other side. Then I fold the edges together, like the way you see me do. I bring the two edges together, then I sew it with 1/4 inch. I sew it down like the way you are seeing me do. I sew it down, then afterward we turn it in and out so that we can conceal the rough edge. That is the essence. After sewing, you can also trim off the excesses at that edge. So you turn it in and out for us to conceal the rough edge. And I make sure that the way I sew is the one that fall at the center. You can see the way it is on the video. Then I sew down the two edges on the two sides. I sew them down. Then afterward, I bring the two edges also together again. Then I start pleating my ruffle. Now I make sure that I started my pleating at the midpoint of the organza. You can see the way I'm doing it. Just split it, style it the way you want. So, and that is it. We are done. And the next thing is for us to attach the ruffle into our off-shoulder blouse. If you want to know how to sew an off-shoulder blouse, let me know in the comment section. And if this video has been of help to you, please like, share, comment, share it for other soulmates for them to learn also. And this is the ruffle we made earlier, and this is me trying to attach it to the off shoulder blouse that I've already made. You can see the way I've drawn the midpoint of the off shoulder. I've chalked it out. Then I place the ruffle into the middle where I've chalked, and you just sew it down like so.